The Spectrum family is a family of software-defined storage solutions. It can work with IBM hardware, our competitors' storage, or it can work with white box storage, tape, disk, or flash, sourced through one of the business partners in the community with bare SanDisk flash or Seagate drives or Western Digital drives. So the Spectrum family gives you a number of different areas: a control and management plane, a backup and archive plane, tied either to disk, to cloud, or to tape, or any combination, basically the vision of the hybrid cloud, on-premises archiving to a cloud, on-premises archiving to a cloud based on tape, on-premises archiving to tape on-premise, or any combination. Same with backup, Spectrum Protect. We then have a primary storage layer. That primary storage layer includes scale-out network-attached storage with Spectrum Scale, and in this case we're talking exabyte class scale, dramatically larger than anyone else in the industry. Guess what? It can tier out to a cloud. We have a public beta right now available for Spectrum Scale, which will be shipping next quarter. You can take Spectrum Scale, scale out NAS on-premise, and tier it out to a cloud of your choice using a REST API. Again, hybrid cloud, on-premise going to off-premise, and that off-premise could be on disk or be on tape. Often what happens is people have Spectrum Scale for the primary, network attached. For the data that is archived, or when they want to get cost effective, what they'll do is Spectrum Scale can use Spectrum Archive, which will then archive the data to a tape repository. Absolutely. So one of the key things with the Spectrum family is that whether it's Spectrum Protect, which can back up to the cloud or replicate to the cloud, Spectrum Scale, which I just mentioned, can automatically tier to the cloud, Spectrum Archive, which could go to a tape repository sitting in the cloud, is the idea is you've got on-premise storage and you've got premise in the cloud. And while part of that storage in the cloud is designed for capacity, part of it is for disaster recovery. Okay, particularly with Spectrum Protect, you're replicating the cloud. In fact, our Spectrum Accelerate, which is a software instantiation of our XIV full array, can sit on premises and then replicate or snapshot to a cloud instantiation of XIV. Perfect disaster recovery and business continuity solution. We just did an announcement last week about our new StoreWise V5000, which uses the Spectrum virtualized platform, supporting over 300 heterogeneous arrays. It's embedded in our StoreWise 5000. We now have 3 models. We announced that last week. We will be having an announcement around our Spectrum Protect product next week. Spectrum Protect is going to be supporting CleverSafe repositories and the ability to back up CleverSafe. So if someone has a CleverSafe repository, we can back it up, or we can use CleverSafe as, if you will, the target, and move from the source to the target, and that target could be CleverSafe. And we'll be bringing that out in the next couple weeks.